see Arameboa Yenim Solomon Agbasi for the performance since that or put it up Tamano or Dreams FC, not at House of Oak. You understand? You Agbasi, there is no platform has beat me down Agbasi bigger than playing at the semi-final of the CAF Confederations Cup. Platform BNY has been Nkrumah since our stage, you know. Or the CAF Confederations Cup semi-final. So what I say? We are African, Obia, Air Solomon Agbasi.
And so done with dreams.
Yeah, but you say, stage, you know, what that super sports, so dear.
Maybe you told them to say, you're okay, you can do so.
It's Obia enjoying a platform asem. You see, has engine to say they did a bad job on Solomon Agbasi. Amateur player, let me say, come here. Amateur player, but in the Ghana, if only it's amateur, you don't own your share of people. So, near the station, just the easiest. So, that's what I say. And if I'm going to take Captain Siasia and Omonsa, because I believe them, say, no credit. Say, Omono, no, extra any 3-year contract be a done. Almost any contract, you know. The boy should have been to say in the race station here, you got to say how much you're. Like he don't need to know the kind of registration I'm wearing a system no more. Niyan say, I bet na say, you know I sign a contract, no sign it, and one what 3-year contract. Who the answer say,
Auntie, one person just a man says, a bear obvious say no sign na. Yes, I'm amateur.
No, like the registration. You understand? Because contract, it are 2 or 3 years was signing. Who sign we are? You don't have any rule to play again in the registration because system they are only uploading your contract into the system. Player no only any physical rule to play again. Meaning that. The TMS system said that there has in here to register him, no. The written contract no my year or mustn't sign, no must scan it. Almost scan ya, no matter or my upload no in the system. So Solomon Agbasi doesn't need to have any physical presence for the registration. And I say obi amateur on par. And only uploading the contract no. So you don't upload the contract and the house cannot upload some contract now Solomon Sani no. That contract cannot be uploaded in the system. And I form the TDN form now. Omu ye na oda work upload the yes oda kotum. And no na me say enti no na hu yin say omo boy no pa aye in the known. Say you go to the amateur player or signing quarter be na no uni na wie as how you register him no in fan ho so
when who no
no like say who yen na take advantage of it no knowing and no how he was registered no and what take advantage and nya me na dom onya blasters collab eti sa nyama we nyina no Emma ne value eko soro ena de abo no and odu bia wakodu no enti mo mo nyɛ supported him you see the omo yɛ nya no mo yɛ emotional analysis, they are doing emotional discussion, they are doing emotional appealing, but only emotional aspect in it through no about the real professional ones that you doing common. Emotionally, men, you know, I just say, oh, enka, quite fast, so I know tonight, dear, na free injury ba, na yes, so mu kwaya watara ne wo fa wo se ne ba ene wo nante ye kwa fa so convince has for because time has esa no munya sure of so bet me recover asi da mu biom but omu take is a risk no ene the emotional aspect of sa nkomode we nyina no nti sa sa de oh na say boy no hwe eno then the other part that is the professional aspect no and say Agbasi is a footballer. Tino, a player who was rising to blasters. On my metal has bench biom. So my number 2 to Frederick Benjamin Asare. And see, sa part now on your sure of whether Benjamin Asare is moving or not. Now I make a say more. I say that minim. Asare what he has
because some mobile say come o stand no asmo busa no no obeso hu ne faith won timi ntena say asem kan sa Asare be sa transfer de bia no eguso te bench
minim those who are Benjamin Asare me can want say one of the difficult transfers or pa goalkeepers o transfer ni pa
o pe club amu a
edin pa
okay
who the goalkeepers and like defenders so for
we here best 5 be na say
we have 4 to start and sa 4 ni na no unye obia so deputy nti echi onko unye 8 players mo forward so 4 unye 8 eti like but how dey omo chances are limited
to be
it movement and also no keep baako so where they are
Beda.
Yeah,
Liverpool lesson.
Beda sir.
That's very bad still. What that's
so it's the transfer there a bit but for the deputy not on the be to be able to get a move and go away and go. Now the first choice and that's what one to tell you why I'm saying the handlers of Asare.
Okay.
That's what I'm showing you answer. Omode sa no waka league mu
bra Kotoko'S ma me na ayi Michael again say me shift here na so Michael me de ma shift say me no de good dwa na za ka fa ba ako to e de ne a wo ba Kotoko'S wo vi say bia eja me here bese o say Kotoko'S to a friendly against a lower tier side in preseason though the results don't matter too much. Tino is diverting attention with Agbasi but emfa when you me de ma divert ya ho ne be wa nti wo twen Zach
yanti omunya botelo omunya se ebi mu brunin ya na de
pressure na no dem pa
na didi atem na de na because he has a family to take care of. You understand? And our future if he say yes me da go and he say if us cannot guarantee him starting 11 now you find
ko be bia metumenya the same time also class can so crab za konanim
exactly that point. Tino Ghana you see yenim menkas the do na me hampa no
that yes
and table as e dey so nim ball ne ball hwe yen do na and table
do na
ball I say ye bo na e di akiri by yen table na say you see you understand why teams no omo prison omo person omo no omo nya nfie no
o de ko ba bi no pressure we na
where from this unnecessary pressure unu ne ma adan like ebufu and yes omo ko honum na ko hwe ball you know they didn't know the offending saying ejuma Kotoko'S ne ye they are aware say coach no empe the players no do na coach ne den empe e ka on kon players ko mun what see ah ene ya say no mo na ye hwe na no me ka say me bra penny captain me ka say o the level 11
tisim ni yes ye hwe bi
no ye hwe e bia
no no what tisim
sa e no e bia no nim ye by level 11 there obi anim ye enti me mo de bonam ni ye hwe enti players do ya you know very well say do na no omo coach no kan plans ho but because of how people pleaded and spoke no say okay we dey e mo hwe 11 on money hwe eti you are where say sa place dudu na no mo am dum say last year nko yi eti mo fi say yem pa mo kra and a coach for Abana he just giving them opportunity to prove say they should stay or not. Na tino say only Benabo first preseason game no shower.
Benabo so mu sa no wonya abahwe o do we division o 2 on
Division 2 yes.
Division 2 but what baby ah
na no mo sa
na make no
almost 4 years ni afi bia 17 and 20 players ka ho
no mu 22 shete boy no mfe no o etwana akwan Zak yes one captain U17 class
me say afi bia
I'm so on eba no good
our player U17 and 20 so it tells you about the quality of that Benab team.
Yeah.
Mimpo there, whatever quality that they have in a very serious game, Kotoko'S should beat them. But we are trying to the quality that is in that Benab team. That is number one. And I'm over against a team. I'm more official or one yard. Coach them pamphlets in the but just that before they play, say they should give them the chance to prove themselves. Team dey say o first preseason game na
walusu ye dey nim so walusu na yan kan adwene kire o mo
the commentary around it what is it
walusu nkwa de men kan adwene
unim mamen Eric Tinkler
where second goal no
winning goal no
winning goal no
Tinkler ni Menzo the opposite of no they should bold and do it so omuma kuma say
Kofo be ka du machi wo sa we hu a
tutum ya frantuma ne e ba ne e pachew ko ma se ngwa ne wo yi e fa ne sen o fi sa tati we ye ko pachew nya to ahene bo hu na wa frantuma no de anim ko pachew omo anye focus na omo and live by what they want to do. Na mama Kroma say for it me they will deviate from what they want to do. Okay, Bashuri for team now 2018 so okay team na pa ni eji ofri
nkomo no
ni eji ofri na ba Division 1 what mama me starter ayi nkum ne efan sen Harrison
so ai
nkum say Harrison ne Jordan the free wafa no mo lo Division 10 ti asem ni yo mpese isi ye pese nkofo me nkofo adwene ekosi bibi so
na unuamra
exceptional young talents who always survive at Kotoko'S. Enti se papa no o ma ba no mo fi se mpemfo no nya de a mo bia ndada mo se nkola ntimi mbobo
san koto ye
Angelique enfo mo Kotoko'S
sizi bia to 20 no apam
me say Bashiri effort ade I find saying Eric Niba Nkum Harrison Afu Jordan Opoku Eric Nieje sa Angelique akwafu Sata no Kotoko'S no free bench but no
mahala mahala free iba
so Sata ngaba kuno free fan no free buy ti mane US ni
so who go Liberty ball out
of Lions yes so you see he came and assembled about 6 or 7 young exceptional talent and all the experience of Oseko Fomo na Max Setre mo
yes
so already say how
Max Setre no a young boy from
yes
so and all this experience take a credit a fry na odinya results
e bomusi de bomusi nyam yento
tam na mo ba no Stanley uba ya no mpacho mo translate man twi no English no ntia
obeto mo ka kire no
Stanley uba ya no you came with a vision say mo be dwegu no ma hyehyɛ with exceptional young talent mpanyinfoɔ no kakra na ɔmo yɛ adeɛ no na mo de ɔmo afra nkɔla no na mo de abobɔ no mamu me mistake ɛmɛ ndada mo sɛ de kuroma sɛ ɔnti fa nkɔla ntele ɔmo boa
ɔmo supporters yɛ ana ɛka
you see ɔmbɛka ɛna yɛmfa nkɔla ntele ɛyɛ ntorɔ Bashir Effort ɛde nkɔla bɛgye league kuroma sɛ ɛbɔ bɔɔla na me see me I'm saying since then yehu bi da o
ɛbɛ saa season na no
saa Bashir bɔɔl na bɔɔl yɛ no yehu bi da kuroma sɛ since then quality football at the highest level.
Okay.
They should go by what they came to do. And they said, almost scout to exceptional young talent. Not senior guys now on no. Kakana mefra. Eti ade ba call me Kotoko'S no. Communication. Sa PR no munni no. Because see by now the